Alright guys, here we are in the Jeep Grand Cherokee. The radiator has been changed. The motor mount, I think it was the passenger side motor mount, has been changed. And new windshield wipers. Definitely the windshield wipers were the most important thing, for sure. But seriously, it's driving a lot. Like, I can seriously tell it's driving a lot better. I bet it was the motor mount causing all that vibration I talked about in another video. But come on, can I please get a chance to go? I think I'm going right here. Here we go. Oh, it just drives so smooth now. It's so much better. I'm happy with it. Apparently the CV axle still needs done, so we'll address that later. It's driving so much smoother than it did before. Still got a bunch of stuff in the back, so you might hear a little rattling around back there. Through the tunnel, boy. Man, I kind of want to take it to the park and rip it around. Not gonna lie. Something to note is that it is blowing cold AC. I don't remember if it did that before. I would be interested to see if the heat works. I know the heat didn't work before, but the AC might have worked. But it is cold, nice AC. This will be nice to drive in the summer for sure, but still not sure about if the heater works, if I would want to drive it in the cold in the winter, you know. Guess we'll see. Not only is it not overheating, but in the entire time I've owned this Jeep, I've never had the temps stay that low consistently. Usually it climbs up to close to half. Yes, and yes, I'm out kind of joyriding now. Oh, I love my Jeepy. I have been strategically avoiding school buses on this drive, and I avoided that one as well. Ha. We out. Okay, we found us a little gravel spot here. Gonna try and, I don't know, rip it in a circle. It doesn't rip very well. Oh. Oh, a little rip. We'll go off-road a little bit here. Yeah, boy, probably pick up a nail or something. That's what I'm talking about. All right, we're gonna go left. I know where there's another little park spot that could be cool. Now, this one is really hidden because it looks like you're driving into this person's driveway, but it's actually a little park right behind. So, yeah, here we are. Boom, park. I've done videos here before. Wish I had some nice off-road areas right near the house. That'd be fun. All right, here we go. We're gonna try to rip this shiz. It does not rip very well. All right, where can I take some nice pictures? The thing is, it's all-time four-wheel drive. Yes, you heard me correctly, four-wheel drive. Not all-time all-wheel drive like normal. This is all-time four-wheel drive. So, when you try to do burnouts and twirls and whirls and donuts, you know, when you try to do that stuff, it gets a lot of traction. It makes it very difficult. If it was rear-wheel drive, it would rip so much harder. You know what I'm saying? I got one more park I want to go check out. I think I can get a pretty good spot to take some pictures. Usually there's a nice spot to take pictures over at the other park. So, see you in a minute, drivers. There were a couple of cops chilling back that way. I got nervous because, you know, they'd probably see the speed demon that is my Jeep and think that I was out street racing or something. You know how it is. If you go out in the woods today, you better be for a surprise. before a surprise. Okay. Now back here's the spot where we get the pictures. Gonna try and snap some shots of my Jeep that has new life. You know, at first I was kind of put out that I had to spend so much money on passing the inspection, but considering that they fixed the issue that I was saving up money for to fix after, I mean, I'm really not out anything. I was gonna save money and spend a bunch of money fixing it anyway. So now it's fixed, now it passed inspection. It's a win-win, folks. All right, got her chilling out here. I actually could have pulled forward some more, but it might get kind of soft up here. I don't want to fall down the hill. She got four-wheel drive, she'd probably be all right. But yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures right here, and then I wonder if I would hurt this by driving over this. There's like these little bumps here. Heck, I might back down the hill right here. I don't know about that. Oh yeah, wish I had a cameraman, that'd be nice. Get some footage from outside the vehicle. So I did find this cool little loop around here. Actually, it's not like this is a trail, I kind of made this. But, gotta make this turn, it's tight. Yeah boy, we got it, we got it. Yup, she's driving like a champ. Speed limit is technically 5 miles per hour right here, so let's slow it down, folks. Let's slow it down. Just saw the cops with their lights on up here. Let's see what's going on. Pulling some poor person over, probably. I just saw their lights go over the hill over there, so must have been an actual call, not just pulling some person over. All right, we got brand new radiator. Look at that cap, that shiny cap. Yeah. And this is a new hose here. Oh yeah. Awesome. There's my brand new battery. Yep. She's up to par now. Where's that motor mount they did actually? Oh, that one looks kind of iffy. But it doesn't look new. That must not be the one they did. Oh, right there. Don't know if you can see that, but there's a motor mount in there, right there. Right there. That looks new. Well, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around for more videos.